Ever wondered how to make delicious paneer potato cheese fingers at home? Welcome to our culinary journey. Today, we're diving into the flavorful world of this mouth-watering snack. Originating from the Indian subcontinent, paneer potato cheese fingers are a delightful union of soft paneer, creamy potatoes, and rich cheese. Each ingredient shines through, creating a snack that's not only satisfying but also bursting with flavor. So, are you ready to master this recipe? Stay tuned to learn a step-by-step method to cook this delicious snack. Before we start, ensure you have all your ingredients ready. For our paneer potato cheese fingers, we'll need 2 medium-sized boiled and mashed potatoes and 200 grams of paneer crumbled into small pieces. The potatoes add body to our fingers, while the paneer is the star, imparting its unique, creamy flavor. Next, we'll need a half cup of breadcrumbs, a quarter cup of chopped onions, 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped coriander, and a teaspoon each of grated ginger and garlic. These ingredients will add a delightful crunch and a burst of flavor to our cheese fingers. If you enjoy a bit of heat, you can also include a teaspoon of red chili powder, and of course, salt to taste. Lastly, we'll need some oil for frying. These ingredients come together to create a snack that's crispy on the outside and soft and cheesy on the inside. With everything set, it's time to dive into the cooking process. Start by mashing the boiled potatoes in a large bowl. This is your base, so make sure it's thoroughly mashed. Now let's layer the flavors. Sprinkle in the finely chopped paneer cheese. This adds a wonderful, creamy texture that's unmistakably delicious. Let's add some character now. Toss in a generous half cup of breadcrumbs. This helps bind our ingredients together and adds a delightful crunch. Next, we have a quarter cup of finely chopped onions. These little gems will soften as they cook, releasing their sweet, savory aroma. Now for some fresh elements. Add 2 tablespoons of finely chopped fresh coriander. This will give our fingers a refreshing punch. Don't forget our aromatics, grated ginger and garlic. A teaspoon of each will do. For those who like a bit of heat, a teaspoon of red chili powder will give that perfect kick. Finally, season with salt to taste. Now that all the ingredients are combined well, let's shape them into fingers. Heat the oil in a deep frying pan. Now we're moving on to the most exciting part, the frying. Let's transform these assembled ingredients into delicious, crispy paneer potato cheese fingers. First, ensure the oil is heated to the right temperature. A medium flame is usually the sweet spot. You don't want the oil too hot as it can burn the fingers, and too low a temperature will make them absorb more oil than necessary, making them heavy and oily. Now, take each of your cheese fingers and gently immerse them in the hot oil. Be careful not to overcrowd the pan. This allows for even heat distribution and ensures each finger gets the attention it deserves. While they bathe in the sizzling oil, watch for a beautiful golden brown color to appear. That's when you know it's time to flip them over. Use a slotted spoon to gently turn them, ensuring they're evenly fried and irresistibly crunchy on all sides. Patience is key here. Rushing the process will not give you the crispy, golden results you desire. Remember, good food is worth the wait. Once they're evenly fried, use the same spoon to remove them from the oil. Let them rest on a paper towel to absorb any excess oil. This small step makes your snack a bit healthier and keeps that crunch factor intact. Our paneer potato cheese fingers are now fried to perfection. They're golden, crispy, and just waiting to be devoured. Let's move on to the final step, serving this delicious snack. The final step is, of course, serving the snack. These paneer potato cheese fingers are perfect when served hot. Just plate them up and watch them disappear. They're a great fit for any occasion, be it a casual get-together or a fancy dinner party. Now, let's talk about the perfect accompaniments. The classic choice is a tangy tomato ketchup, but if you're feeling adventurous, why not try a mint chutney? The refreshing minty flavor contrasts beautifully with the rich, cheesy fingers. These versatile snacks are also ideal for any time of the day. Serve them up for a hearty breakfast, a quick lunch, or a comforting dinner. They're even perfect for those mid-afternoon hunger pangs. Remember, the joy of cooking lies in experimentation. Feel free to put your own twist on this recipe and make it truly yours. Enjoy your homemade paneer potato cheese fingers. Happy cooking!